Okay, today we're going to be working on making a ripper attachment for the Kubota excavator. I've already purchased these ears and I've tack welded an inch plate on it. So we don't know if that's where we're gonna leave it yet, but we're gonna start there and kind of figure it out from there. We've got a 1/2 inch plate of mild steel here. My idea is that we're gonna maybe triple it up. We're gonna have like sandwiched together 3 pieces to make it about 1.5 inches thick, and hopefully that'd be enough. We're gonna try out a new tool. We got this LOTOS plasma cutter. What model is that? It's a 5500D, looks like. Haven't used it yet. We just got it out of the box. We're gonna try it out today. We were kind of talking about this last night. My brother's with me today, and I think the plan is we're going to try something like this, where the center piece is going to be bigger than the side pieces, and probably cut a window out and weld around there to try to make it all as strong as possible. And we've got some gussets that we'll probably put in there to add that cross-sectional area there to make it a little bit stronger that way as well. So we're going to start up by using just a box as our template and try to get our angle correct so that the thumb works good in conjunction with this new ripper, and then hopefully we'll get drawing onto this steel and start cutting it, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll set the camera up and get some time lapse, and let's get started. Okay, so we got some weld on these ears. It's not the prettiest thing. I blame that on my brother. But we've got our first pass down here on the ripper itself, and then the idea that we have is that we'll put the sandwiching plates up to that one and then backfill in that gap, and then probably do like triple pass weld on the outside. I also have some gussets that will probably fit in there as well. So we're going to get started cutting out the outer plates, and then we'll see how they all fit up. So we're going to get started on that now. Well, here it is. The welds are good enough to put in the dirt, I think. We're about to test it out. Hopefully these ears didn't get all warped. We thought about it later. Maybe we should have welded a piece of rebar across the top there to keep them from coming apart or going in. So we're about to mount it and see what happens. And I think we got a tree on this property that we could probably rip up and shove over here. So we'll probably test it out on something like that. Probably gonna have to move it a little bit. Come closer to me. Closer to me. Oh, out? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Here, work your jaw, see how lined up it is. And she's awful well. It's off by a couple of inches. It's alright. Ain't gonna hurt anything.